Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel, Dream of Crafts. My name is Deanna and today we're going to be doing the walkthrough on my beach mini album that I created for my daughter for our Florida vacation that we took in June. For this album I have used the Sound of Summer paper pack, the Creative Pad A4 set, and the Sound of Summer paper pad 12 by 12 set. I use several packs of both of those. This is a very large album, so if you have an event that needs lots of pictures, this might be the one for you. It's easy, basic construction. It's a lot of repeating, but will hold a ton of photos. On the front here you see that I've used, this was a wood cutout that I bought at Joann's. And I've just added some of the beach sand that she collected from the beach, along with the shells and shark's teeth that, some of the shells and shark's teeth that her and the kids had collected on the beach where we were, would go quite often. So this album measures 10.5 inches high by 10 inches wide and has a 3-inch spine. On the back, I just did the regular decorative cardstock and used one of the large tags. I've also added this charm dangle for closure. On the inside we have a waterfall, and I just left the magnet there. She's going to cover that with a picture anyway. So this holds 16 pictures here. And then on the first page here, this is lifted up on the top and the bottom so she can get a page of pictures under there. And then we have a flip up and another flip. And then it opens this way. And then it also opens back this way. And again. So you have lots, like I said, this is a lot of real estate here. And I just added a tag with a with a brand there and some stains. And then I didn't add, there is pockets on each page for a tag. I did not add any tags yet. If she needs the tags for additional photo space, then I will create those at that time. But this, like I said, this is going to hold a lot. And it's the same basic pages. And then here's just another flip. And then this opens this way. And then this is just a little tag that I put on additional cardstock. And again, open to the left. Let me zoom you out here a little bit more. Maybe I get a little bit more room there. There we go. And it opens again. This opens this way and this way. And then this page opens back this way. So this is our center page for this. And then these all open this way. So they all have a center page and then a flip going both ways. Another one of the tags, put on an additional piece of cardstock. Flip and flip again. And then I'll keep sliding this back and forth for you so you can see it. This tag's just down. There's not an opening on it. It's beautiful paper. I think she's going to enjoy decorating with it. Here's another tag on a extra piece of cardstock there. That opens up. And then this opens up again. Again, additional tag. And then she's got lots of ephemera that she can use to add once she gets her pictures on. I have lots of the additional cutouts and stuff that she'll be able to add with the pictures. So I didn't want to over decorate everything. I wanted her to be able to personalize it. And so here, this would make a wonderful wedding album because you have plenty of room for 8 by 10s, 5 by 7s. Again, another tag, and just part of the cut aparts here, another tag, like that. And then the last page here, another one of those tags I cut out, left it open underneath for her. And then this opens up again, just like that. And then another waterfall to hold another 16 pictures there. So I figured this album would easily hold about 200 pictures. So I think she'll have plenty of room for all the pictures from our trip. And the tutorials will follow this. There is 3 tutorials that are free for you to enjoy. And I hope you follow along, and I hope you give it a try. As always, if you are a subscriber, thank you so much. I do appreciate it. If you're not a subscriber, please consider doing so at this time. Go ahead and hit that red subscribe button down in the right-hand corner. And when the bell pops up, you hit that and you'll be notified each time I put up a new video. And as always, until the next time, I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.